Amara, where is my shirt? I need it now.
You left it on the chair last night.
I did not. You should know where I keep my things.
I cannot read your mind, Chinedu.
You're my wife. You should just know.
Assumption is the first silent problem in marriage.
Chinedu, I came early. Hope your wife is ready. It's fine. She knows.
Knows what?
That you have guests. You should have prepared.
Guess now? You never told me.
You should know. Hey, come on in.
He assumed, she waited, and the guests arrived to a confused home.
Welcome. Come on in. Hey, is everything ready?
Ready?
This food is not good. Why did you cook this?
You never told me what you wanted.
I wanted rice and stew. I didn't say it.
You assumed I would know.
Of course. It's obvious.
Not to me.
Why can't you just know?
Because I am not your mind reader.
The problem is not the food. It is the missing conversation. I bought you something.
What is this?
A gift. You are angry, so I bought you this.
I am not angry because of a gift. I am angry because you never talked to me.
I said sorry with this.
Saying sorry is not the thing you buy.
I don't know what to say.
Then say it. Say the words.
A gift cannot replace an apology, and silence cannot replace love.
Where is my wallet?
You left it on the table.
I did not. You should know where I put it.
I cannot keep your life for you.
Oh, here it is. You are always blaming me.
I am not blaming. I am telling you how it feels to live with someone who never speaks.
Communication is not only about talking, it is about understanding.
I am tired of you acting like I am the problem.
I am tired of you acting like I am not here.
I am doing my best.
Your best is not enough when you refuse to talk.
I do not need to explain myself.
You do because you're my partner, not my boss.
When two people stop speaking, they stop living together.
Amara, I was wrong. I assumed you should know everything. I treated you like you should read my mind. I never asked how you feel.
You could have just said that earlier.
I know. I am sorry.
You don't need to buy me a gift. Just talk to me.
I will. I promise.
The first step to healing is admitting the mistake.
I forgive you.
Thank you. From today, I will communicate.
And I will listen.
We will build again.
I feel so safe with you.
You are. Always.
Promise?
I promise.
Marriage is not a mind game. It is a conversation. Communication is the bridge that keeps love alive. Assumptions, silence, and unspoken needs build walls. A gift cannot replace an apology, and a husband who assumes his wife should know everything will soon lose the wife he loves.